Hi friends, welcome back to the Bay East Association of Realtors Grab and Go videos. Here today with another good one for you. Did you know you can email your client driving directions for multiple listings? Maybe you want to attach a copy of the directions to a buyer's tour presentation. First, find the homes you want to tour for the day in Paragon and select them. Once you're ready, under More, select Driving Directions. Second, select your starting location. You can choose from your client's address, your home, your office, or type in your starting location. When you are ready, click on Get Directions. Now we can arrange the order of the directions by clicking Drag to Reorder on the white circles next to the addresses. We can see how many miles the trip would take as well as which order is the fastest by looking below the addresses. Once you've chosen the order you prefer, click Details. Now you can share your driving directions by sending them to your client's phone. You can also send a link or embed a map to their email address. You can even choose to print or save as a PDF to add to your buyer's tour presentation. And there you have it. You know how to share driving directions from Paragon. Thanks for watching and see you on the next Grab and Go video.